Good evening from the National Weather Service office in Slidell, Louisiana. Here's the forecast for the next 7 days for southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. An unseasonably cool and damp start to the week of September 20th. The tropics do remain very active, especially along the northern Gulf here, as we slowly watch Tropical Storm Beta drag along the northern Gulf Coast, producing heavy rainfall mainly offshore at the time, with a coastal flooding going on along the coast, especially in the east and northeastern facing shores. Heavy rain and minor to moderate coastal flooding will be the greatest threats to southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Tropical Storm Beta will produce minor to moderate coastal flooding. Prolonged moderate to strong east and northeast winds will result in minor to moderate coastal flooding, with the greatest impacts along and east-northeast facing shores. 2 to 4 feet of inundation will be possible in the coastal flood warning area. However, 1 to 2 feet is possible in the coastal advisory area. Remember, low-lying areas along coastal roads could be inundated, with some roads becoming impassable, especially in the coastal flood warning areas. A few areas could become cut off during the times of high tide. Tropical Storm Beta will produce some gusty winds as well along coastal areas of southeast Louisiana. Moderate to strong gusty winds are possible along coastal waters, also across portions of southeast Louisiana that are generally south of the I-10 corridor. Impacts and safety. Inside the advisory area, expect to see winds of around 20 to 25 with gusts probably up to 30 miles an hour possible. These winds could blow around lightweight and loose household items, making driving difficult, especially on north-south oriented roadways. Isolated power outages are possible, but not likely. Rainfall forecast for Monday through midweek. We should expect to see 3 to 6 inches mainly along and west of the I-55 corridor, with around 1 to 2 inches from the New Orleans area over to the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Meanwhile, flash flooding will be possible in some of the areas that do receive the heaviest rain, and rises on rivers will be possible as well. Tropical Storm Beta has caused a flash flood watch to be issued through 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Due to the slow-moving orientation and interaction of Barry, a flash flood watch has been issued for along southwest of a line from Baton Rouge to the New Orleans area. Impacts and safety. Up to 3 to 5 inches of rain with locally higher amounts, especially along from the Baton Rouge to, say, Homa and westward areas. Stay tuned and be aware, have at least 2 ways to receive any flash flood warnings that are issued.